In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to get an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription with a 90% discount for your first month. This discount is included in all Adobe products within the Creative Cloud, such as Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, After Effects, Acrobat, Express, Stock, which are all 90% discounted within the following method in this video. I personally managed to get a £29 discount off of my own Premiere Pro subscription, which works out around $37. So this video is quickly going to run you through the step-by-step process on how to do the same on any Adobe software within the Creative Cloud. So what you need to do to get the discount is go to our website called TopCashback. For this example, I am using the UK version of the website, but this also works for the US version too, and you can find links for both down below. But TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website which provides cashback discounts on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of general things that you can buy online are listed here, such as flights and hotels, as well as, of course, as general software such as Adobe products, which is what we'll cover in this video. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come across this landing page here. And then from here, you'll just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning as well, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign up bonus as well. So click the link below, and once you've signed up, we can then go through step by step on how to claim your Adobe discount. Then once you've signed up, you should be pulled through to the home dashboard, which looks similar to this. And then from here, because we want Adobe, we'll just go ahead and search for it at the top. This should then pull you through to the page here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the Adobe listing where it says get up to £75 cashback. So the way this works is Adobe through TopCashback will pay you back a percentage of your subscription right back to you after purchasing through their link. So if you scroll down here, you can see all the offers that they provide, and the current offer on the monthly Creative Cloud subscription is 89.25%, so basically in and around 90%. This means that Adobe will give you back 89% of the money that you paid after signing up, so it's definitely one of the best ways to get a heavy discount on any Adobe products within the Creative Cloud. So to activate this offer, you'll just want to click on the red button at the top which says get up to £75 cashback. From here, this should then pull you through to the Adobe website where you then need to click on the Save Today button, and then this should pull you through to all the different Adobe software listings. Then from here, you just need to find the right Adobe package that's right for you. The 89% discount will work on any Adobe product that's listed within the Creative Cloud. So long as you see it listed here, it will be applicable, including your Photoshop, Premiere Pro and Express. For example, if it's the full Creative Cloud you're after, you'll then just want to go ahead and click on the Buy Now option listed under the package. Then for the 89% discount, you'll just want to go ahead and click on the monthly option at the top here. Since it is listed at £85 currently, that should be about £76 that you'll get in cash back, so making the overall first month worth about just shy of a tenner for you. From here, you'll just want to click on Buy Now, fill out all your details like normal, and make the purchase. Just a disclaimer as well, to make sure that the purchase is tracked, you need to make sure that you make the purchase through the same tab that TopCashback opened up, as that's how they link the sale to your account. So just make sure it's done through the same tab that you opened up through TopCashback before financially committing. But once you've purchased your Adobe subscription, you should then be pulled through to your account where you can then go ahead and download the software. In regards to your cashback, you should receive an email from TopCashback within 5 to 10 minutes, similar to this, to say that your sale has been tracked and is eligible for cashback. Once you've received the email, you can then jump back into your TopCashback account, and you should then be able to see a pending amount in your account from Adobe with how much cashback you're due to get back. And it's as simple as that. Just jumping back, it's also the same method no matter what Adobe subscription you're getting. So if it is for Adobe Photoshop, for example, it's exactly the same. Clicking on Buy Now, going through the same process, filling out your details. And if it's done right, you should receive an email from TopCashback to say your purchase has been tracked. But overall, that is pretty much it, and how you can then get your first month of Adobe subscription 90% discounted. Just a heads up, it can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but if you keep an eye on your TopCashback account, you should then be notified when you are able to receive a payout on it. Otherwise, if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to assist you, and thanks again for watching.